Welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix DC error code on a Samsung dryer. So guys, DC stands for door check. So the dryer thinks the door isn't properly closed or clutch. So first, just simply press start/pause to stop the cycle and open and firmly close the dryer door. Then press start again to fix the issue. Another one is inspect the door latch. So check for any obstructions and ensure the latch clicks securely when you close it. Now, another one, if the door feels loose or doesn't engage, the door switch may be worn or faulty. So test with a multimeter or gently push with a switch manually. Another one is do a power reset. Just simply unplug the dryer for 5 minutes, then plug it back in, and this can reset the control board. Now, if any of these doesn't work, just simply call for a professional help to help you out and to fix the issue. There goes, see ya.